There's lots of other organizations that do cancer research, but CRI has had their focus from the beginning on how do we use the immune system.
The CRI funding has been amazing. It's helped me start my project at Stanford, where I'm focused on studying organotropism in the context of colorectal cancer.
It's an invaluable opportunity for me to, really get into the postdoc fellowship track. I just really want to express my gratitude for CRI.
So really that speed of studying the human lesion and then going back to the mouse and doing the functional experiments and then back to the clinic to really to test it is, this has been a joy. So this is what I've enjoyed most about my postdoc so far.
The gold standard of success is obviously, are our patients living longer? CRI is obviously an institution that's been incredibly supportive in developing immunotherapies. And CRI had this clinical innovator program that we thought was a perfect fit for this type of project.
Our project that is funded by the CRI is really based on a very exciting observation that tumors can influence the ability of hosts developing certain toxicities to immunotherapies. I'm hopeful that the project that's being funded by the CRI is actually going to be well received by reviewers and in the literature.
I think, especially in the current environment, there is a huge need for support of translational research. So the CLIP program provided this unique opportunity to perform translational research that has direct clinical impact for individuals with gastroesophageal cancer.
Having a foundation like CRI that is willing to take a bet early on when these models are not yet at the stage where we can employ them widely, but where we really need to make these early breakthrough discoveries and these early changes to get them to work is where the impact really lies. And that is often research that is hard to fund because it is very risky.
Hopefully sticking with the CRI for as long as I can. I will be applying for that Ignite Award at some point.
The STAR program really means we're going to be able to have breathing room for the next 5 years, to not be thinking always about how am I going to spend my time submitting a grant, and instead spend my time doing the science that's actually going to move the needle.
What I'm looking forward to is to say we'll go from being able to cure 10 to 20% of people with the immune system to most people with the immune system. It'll take the next generation of bright young people, and I hope we can do it here in the US.